See my shadow crawling up the wall. It doesn't look like me at all. My hands are shaking, teeth of doubt. There's something screaming, trying to get out. I stitched my pain into a smile, pretended I was fine for a while. But mirrors lie when lights go low. They show the thing I never chose. I'm turning into something I can't tame. A broken soul wearing my name. I feel the claws under my skin. I didn't lose control, I let it in. I'm not the hero you once knew. I'm becoming the monster you made me into. Every promise tastes like rust. Every touch dissolves to dust. I hear my heartbeat cracking bones. I feel at home where I don't belong. I fed the dark to stay alive. Now it's the only thing inside. You say I changed, you say I'm gone, but you lit the fire and walked on. I'm turning into something I can tame. A violent echo of my pain. I feel the claws under my skin. I didn't lose control, I let it in. I'm not the hero you once knew. I'm becoming the monster you made me into. If I scream, would you listen now? If I bleed, would you tell me how? To rip the fangs out of my fear? Or am I past the point of being clear? I try to stay human, try to be clean, but monsters are born where love should have been. You don't get to run, you don't get to pray. You fed the pigs that looked alright. I'm turning into something cold and rare. This is the truth I couldn't feel. I wear the scars, I wear the sin. If this is hell, I'm diving in. Don't call my name like you still care. You made a monster. Now it's I'm not afraid of what I've become. I'm afraid of highways. Before the monster learned to breathe inside of me.